I think there's a reason why they call them Lucky. This is good. This is good. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to get there. This is where the tree was, right there. Man. And what I'm gonna do is, when we leave here, come over here and I'm gonna show you. You're doing a lot of work here, look at that. All right, so the coffee shop is right here, right behind the Pottery House. This is where they are. This is where the magic happens. This is where the new shop is going to be. Better late than never, huh? Had to get my charger.
Better latte than never.
Oh, better latte. Oh, look at him. I'm filming. This is my friend, my new friend, the owner. Tell him what your name is, sir.
I'm Lance.
Lance Lucky.
Lance Lucky, that's me.
Lance Lucky.
Come on in, bro.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Hi, how are you? Very nice. I haven't been here in a couple years.
Welcome back.
I know, it took me long enough. All right, Mr. Lucky, you were telling me the coffee is locally?
So yeah, the coffee is locally roasted. My roaster has been roasting for over 10 years. It's premium grade coffee, rated 83, 84 on the scale. My sweater here, Snowbird Mountain Coffee Company, is who the roaster is.
And he told me during lunch something that I had no idea. You told me about that company that we're not going to say. It's a very popular coffee company. Tell me about that.
So a coffee bean has to be rated 80 to be a specialty coffee or premium grade. Our coffee is rated 83, 84, and most other coffee companies are below that 80 point.
That's cool. So you're pretty much getting twice the coffee here.
Yeah.
Versus going to a name brand.
We're going to ask you if you like it, and we're going to ask that question knowing that you're probably going to say, oh yeah.
Okay.
Have you tried yours?
Not yet. I'm going to go outside and try it right now. All right, we're trying this Lucky's. I'm just going to call it Lucky because there aren't any other Lucky's out there, coffee shops. You know, when I go like that, I'm done. We're done. Guys, this is good. Pardon my French, but this is pretty damn good. Lucky's. I think there's a reason why they call them Lucky. This is good. This is good. This is good. So guys, listen. When you come to I keep wanting to say when you come to Gatlinburg, I need to get out more often. But when you come to Pigeon Forge, remember, look what's behind me. All right, got the old mill. Old mill. You walk 5 minutes, and there you go. Espresso Yourself. But pretty soon it's going to be Lucky's. Give it a few minutes. I'm going to put the link in the description. Please, please shop local, especially coffee houses. I'm always asking everybody, when you come to Gatlinburg, when you come to Pigeon Forge, when you come to Sevierville, please shop local. Buy local, shop local. Us locals, we need your hard-earned money, so especially here at Lucky's. So pretty soon, I'm telling you, this place is going to be the place to come get your coffee, hopefully. But we need you guys to come here and buy some coffee, all right?
Art majors, and I said, well, let's see what you can do.
Just like that. That is beautiful. And it probably took them no time to do this.
It was about 150 hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, combined.
That is awesome. You can see, got the old mill, Pottery House, Dollywood, the island. We've got to get a moonshine in there. And look at this. Lucky Brews. Remember that name, guys. I'm telling you, as I say, shop local. No disrespect to the big box coffee shops, but when you come to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Sevierville, please shop local. Okay.
Okay. And a frappe for you is like going to be 7.
Okay.
instead of 10.
You've got to take care of the locals while you live
That's
here.
right, man.
You've got. Guys, if you haven't been to the Pottery House, do yourself a favor and do it. The food is absolutely amazing. Good food. And then after you eat, just walk around, burn the calories off. Beautiful. And then when you have lunch at the Pottery House, come over here and get some ice cream. All locally owned. Locally owned. Look at that shot right there. Beautiful right there. Gorgeous.